Hello friends, myself Alpesh Singh and I am discussing chapter number 1, topic 1.4.2, here significant figure. So this is, we can say that remaining portion of significant figure. So normally which type of thing we will discuss here. So after calculation or after determination of precision and accuracy, we will obtain some result. So that result may be either we can say that means accurate or precise. So whenever it is accurate, then as such no problem is there, but whenever it is precise, then here some uncertainty is there. So that type of uncertainty can be removed with the help of these type of things which we will discuss here. Clear? So see, the uncertainty in experimental or the calculated value is indicated by mentioning the number of significant figure. So first of all, what is significant figure? So whatever uncertainty is present in our result, it can be removed easily with the help of one number. So that is normally known as significant figure. So in case of significant figures are meaningful digit which are known with certainty. Matlab whatever uncertainty will come from precision, it can be nullified easily with the help of significant figure. Correct? For example, if we write a result as 11.2 ml, if we will write a result 11.2 ml, so we can say that 11 is certain number and 2 is uncertain number. 11 is certain and जो decimal के बाद है, it is uncertain number. And here uncertainty किसका होता है? Plus minus 1 का होता है. At we can say that here means last digit. मतलब see, whenever we are writing 11.2 ml, then 11 is certain number and 2 is uncertain number. And here we can say that accuracy of plus minus 1 is there. Clear? Now to determine here significant figure, we have to follow some rule. So that rules are, rule number 1, all non-zero digits are significant. It means whenever your answer will come and if we will obtain either zero related number or non-zero. If your result is non-zero, then all non-zero digits are known as significant figure. For example, in 285, here 1, 2, 3, therefore significant figure will be 3. But here 0.25 ml, तो ये जीरो नंबर, ये क्या है? नॉन जीरो की बात हो रही है. तो 25, तो here significant figure will be 2 because 2 and 5 is non-zero digits. Clear? Now second rule, तो 0 preceding to first non-zero digits, 0 preceding to first non-zero digits are not significant. तो such 0 indicate the position of decimal point. For example 0.03, तो यह 3 है, तो 3 के पहले 0 है, इसलिए significant figure will be 1. Here 0 is not important. And see, in similarly 0.0052, so 52 is non-zero, therefore significant figure will be 2. So this is two important rule related with respect to determination of significant figure. Now next one, if 0 will come between non-zero digit, if 0 will come between two non-zero digits, then it will be included during calculation of significant figure. For example 2.005, so 2 and 5, it is non-zero number. So here significant figure will be 4. Here 0 is important. Why? Because it is present between 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 is non-zero number. Now next one, 0 at the end or right of the number are significant provided they are on right hand side of the decimal point. Again I am repeating, 0 at the end or right of number are significant provided they are on right hand side of decimal point. For example, this is 0.200. तब देखो ये 0 क्या है? डेसिमल के बाद और नॉन जीरो के बाद है, तो significant figure will be 3. In another way we can say that after non-zero number, whatever 0 will come, it will improve accuracy. It will improve accuracy. Now exact number have infinite number of significant figure. जो fifth rule है, it is related with respect to exact number. In case of exact number, infinite number of significant figure. For example 2 बॉल है तो 2 फिर मैंने डेसिमल रखा, अब जितने जीरो बढ़ाते जाओगे कितना भी लिख सकते हो. Here we can say that significant figure will be infinite. Now next one, whenever your answer will come in scientific way मतलब capital N into 10 power n. So what will happen? Here capital N will represent significant figure. For example, when numbers are written in scientific notation, the number of digit between 1 and 10 gives the significant figure. देखो जैसे 4.01 है तो this is capital N, तो here 1, 2, 3, तो significant figure will be 3. Clear? So these are important rule how to find out significant figure. Now we will apply this concept in our basic multiplication and basic operation of maths, that is multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So now in case of addition, see, suppose if you are interested to add 12.11, 18.0, 1.012, so here answer will be 31.122. But after applying this rule, here see in case of 18.0, what is there? So here after decimal only one digit is there. Therefore here we are writing 31.1 will be your final result. 31.1 will be your final result. Similarly, in case of multiplication, if you are interested to multiply 2.5, 1.25, the answer will be 3.125. But after applying this rule, final answer will be 3.1. ऐसे भी देखो यहाँ पे significant figure ये दोनों का same होना चाहिए. तो this is application of significant figure in our basic mathematical operation, that is addition, then after multiplication, similarly division and subtraction will come. So this type of question will come in your exercise, then I will explain. Clear? Now whenever we are writing this answer, then so many times what we are doing, we are rounding off this number. So during rounding of this number, here 5 is most important number. Again some rules are there to see while limiting the result to the required number of significant figure. While limiting the result of required number of significant figure as done in above mathematical operation, which one? Multiplication, addition, division, subtraction. One has to keep in mind the following point for rounding off. मतलब to determine exact answer, you have to follow only these 3 rules. So that rules are, if rightmost digit to be removed is more than 5, if rightmost digit to be removed is more than 5, the preceding number is increased by 1. For example, 1.386, so see this is 6 number, we have to remove this 6 number, but this 6 number is more than 5, so therefore here 8 is written 9. One number will be increased. Similarly in second condition, if rightmost digit to be removed is less than 5, then preceding number is not changed. For example 4.334, तो देखो ये क्या है, rightmost digit है, it is less than 5, तो आपको वैसा ही लिखना है, मतलब 4.33 will be there. ये आपने पहले भी किया होगा. And then after last one, if the rightmost digit to be removed is 5, then the preceding number is not changed, है ना? It will not change if it is an even number, but it is increased by 1 if it is an odd number. For example 6.35, तो देखो 5 के आगे क्या है, 3 है, odd है इसलिए ये increase होगा, तो यहाँ 4 लिख देना है. 6.25 आपको 5 हटाना है, बट ये 2 क्या इवन है इसलिए उसको वैसे ही रखना है. तो दिस इज वी कैन से दैट सिंपल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर ड्यूरिंग राउंडिंग ऑफ और लिमिटिंग सम नंबर. देन आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. तो सी whenever we are performing any numerical or whenever we are performing any experiment, then so many time whatever 7 basic units are there, units are different. Its unit can be controlled with the help of one method which is normally known as dimensional analysis. इसके लिए मैंने आपको टेबल 1.3 में बताया था. जैसे 1 किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो किलो मतलब 1000 होता है, तो 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. क्लियर? ऐसे ही कन्वर्जन आते हैं सब, आपको टेबल 1.3 आएगा तो आई विल डिस्कस कन्वर्जन इन आवर एक्सरसाइज. तो हियर डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस, so there is need to convert unit from one system to another, है ना. So the method used to accomplish this is known as either factor method or unit factor method or dimensional analysis. So this is complete information of topic 1.4. Clear? Let's see what is written on this board.